Hi everyone, I am Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about some common grammatical mistakes which you might commit, especially in the case of writing. Because when we try to speak in English language, even if there are certain grammatical mistakes, the listener might be able to comprehend what you are trying to convey to him or her. But in the case of writing, if you produce a particular writing and give it to a person to read, and if he or she is not able to understand what you are trying to convey, it will create a lot of misconceptions. So therefore, let me tell you some common grammatical errors which most of us commit. The very first thing is you should know the difference between, or you should know where to use the comma splice and the run-on sentences. Now when you are writing a sentence and it contains multiple ideas, never use or never make it a run-on sentence. Provide adequate pauses at appropriate places with the commas placed in between in order to efficiently convey the idea. Second thing is the disagreement of the pronoun which is being used. So you should always focus upon one thing. If the noun is singular, the pronoun should also be singular. And if the noun is plural, then the pronoun which you use should also be plural in nature. Third one is never end your sentence with a preposition. Most of us have this habit of ending a sentence with preposition, like what are you looking at? So never do that in the case of writing. Next one is we usually tend to mix up the spellings. Now when I say your and you are, it has a lot of difference, because you are, we write you, and after that we put an apostrophe and re. It is nothing but a contraction of you are, whereas your is something else which shows a kind of a possession. Next one is we tend to mix up the similar kind of words like accept and accept. It sounds similar, right? A-C-C-E-P-T accept and E-X-C-E-P-T accept. So don't try to mix those words whenever you are trying to make use of it in the sentences. Next one is title capitalization. Whenever you are trying to include the name of an organization, or maybe name of a person, or maybe name of a place or anything like that, proper nouns should always be appropriately capitalized. Another thing is never use incomplete sentences or sentence fragments because they never make sense. And the last one is, you might have heard about these three words: to see, to look and to watch. They sound similar, right? But they are not similar, because to look means you're looking at something directly, that's it. To see means you're seeing something but you were not intentionally seeing it. It just came into your sight unexpectedly. Third one is watch. Watch means to observe something with a specific intention for a long period of time, especially a moving object. So next time when you make use of these words, always be careful regarding its meaning and the context of the sentence. So these were some of the common grammatical mistakes which you might commit while you're writing. And I hope that you understood it well. It was informative and useful. Thank you.